Okay, today I will show you how you can upload SSL certificate that is purchased from the Namecheap, and I will install it in the Plesk. So this is the cPanel for the name Namecheap cPanel. I am just going there SSL TLS, then manage SSL sites. This one. Okay, so I am just giving you an example. Like I will just upload SSL certificate for this domain. So click use certificate for new site. Okay, so here I got CRT, private key and the bundle. Okay, so now go to the place website and domains. Then just go to SSL and TLS certificate, and go to advanced setting, and here you see the existing certificate. I will just create a new certificate, add SSL TLS, just give a name here and just give a private key from there. This is the private key. Then give the CRT. Just copy the file from the name chip to the Plesk. This is the CRT, and then this is the bundle, certificate authority bundle, and this one is the bundle. Okay, just click the upload certificate. Once you upload certificate, the name will be create. Just click the upload certificate. Okay, then go to the site once again, then go to the hosting and DNS, then click hosting settings, and then from there just show the certificate that you have created just now. Okay, then click apply. This is the way you can just upload assign the certificate to this website. Thank you so much.